Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it has really been a very snowy period this weekend. So I decided to show you how heavily it can snow, especially in January, and this might be the highest amount of snow we will witness for this winter. So you can see, and the snow is still falling. You can see the thickness everywhere is full. I shot this video around 1 a.m. and that's why everywhere looks so quiet. So this is now morning, and of course the snow is still coming, and for that reason it has not been removed. You can see people are trying to make way for their car to drive out, and this is because now the snow is coming. It's not really cold. I think the temperature is about 1 or -1 degrees. So for us in Finland, that is really a warm winter day. So the snow is not really frozen. You can still move it around, so people are making ways for their car, because then when it's frozen it becomes more difficult to drive out your car. Yeah, so that's what we saw this weekend. Welcome to Finland. Of course, kids like this scenario a lot because they have opportunities to play with the snow, make snowman. So these kind of cars come to clear the road from time to time once there is snow on the ground. So that's what they are doing right now here. And you can see heaps of snow. Oh my gosh, it was too much this weekend. January is usually the time when we have the largest amount of snow. Yeah, and now after the snow, February it begins to freeze. February is actually the coldest winter month I have known since I came to Finland. At least that's when I have seen the highest temperature. Yeah, so right now there is abundance of snow, and now is a good time for people that do winter activities like skiing. So very soon it will be skiing holiday for people, and even for students they will go on a holiday. So if you like winter activities and you have been planning to visit Finland, so now is a very good time to come, because now we have abundance of snow, and as we are getting into February now, it will begin to freeze. So that's when you have a very good platform to ski and to enjoy other activities. Thanks for watching, and you know already, if you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing to see more of Finland. Bye.